In a world where every decision is a matter of life and death, understanding how to make choices under pressure is vital. Welcome to the art of decision-making during an apocalypse. Firstly, prioritize safety. This isn't just about finding shelter but also ensuring it's sustainable and defensible. Secondly, resources. Food, water, and medicine are a must. But remember, rationing is key. Thirdly, community. Being part of a group not only increases survival rates but also provides emotional support. Next, adaptability. The ability to adjust to new situations could mean the difference between life and death. Lastly, hope. Never underestimate the power of a positive mindset. These crucial points can guide you through the darkest of days. Remember, the apocalypse isn't just about survival, it's about thriving. This is Apocalyptic Live, your guide to surviving the end of the world. Subscribe for more life-saving tips. Remember, in a world gone mad, knowledge is your best weapon. Stay safe, stay strong, and stay tuned.